Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang terhormat Bapak Ibu dosen penguji, uji kinerja PPG dalam jabatan Kementerian Agama tahun 2025. Perkenalkan, nama saya Felicia Hidarahmatin SPD dengan nomor NPK 8970420128038, nomor NIM 2025106313016555. Asal LPTK Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang, program studi pendidikan bahasa Inggris. Hari ini, Kamis 28 Agustus 2025, saya akan menyampaikan pembelajaran bahasa Inggris kelas 10 dengan materi recount text di MA As-Salam Bangilan Tuban, Jawa Timur. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat menyaksikan. Okay, close your book please. Arrange your seat and your table. Put your pen on the table please. Okay then, are you ready to begin the lesson?
Yes, we are.
Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am fine, thanks. And you, miss?
I'm very well, thanks. What is our lesson?
Our lesson now is English.
Is our lesson English?
Yes, our lesson now is English.
Okay, what day is today?
Today is Thursday.
And what date is today?
Today is August the 28th, 2025 of Masehi, and Rabiul Awal, the 4th, 14th, and 47th of Hijriah.
Okay, before we start our lesson, it's better to us to pray together. So please, the chief of class, lead the friends to pray together.
Prepare yourself, calm down, and let's begin with the outs. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bifatika ya fattahu aksir futuhana halimun fazidna fil ulumi tafahuma.
I will read the attendance list first. So if I say your name or if I call your name, you have to say present. Okay, good. Ini Maulidia, Otrun Nada,
Present.
Maulidia, Meliana. Before we start our lesson, I will ask you first. What is your feeling today? Happy. And then enjoy. Okay. Then when I ask you, how are you today? You have to answer, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm great, Alhamdulillah. Gitu ya. How are you today?
I'm good, I'm fine, I'm great, alhamdulillah.
Okay, because the August is our independence month, right? So how if we sing together?
Yes.
Okay. All of you, please stand up.
Indonesia tanah air beta, pusaka abadi nan jaya. Indonesia sejak dulu kala tetap dipuja-puja bangsa. Di sana tempat lahir beta, dibuai dibesarkan bunda, tempat berlindung di hari tua, sampai akhir menutup mata.
Okay, you can sit. Before we continue our lesson, I will ask you about the last lesson first. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, what is our last lesson about? Descriptive
Text.
What is descriptive text? Okay, Dina?
Descriptive text is a type of writing that aims to describe a person, place,
everything or even in details.
Okay, good. What is descriptive text?
Descriptive text is a text
Okay, to describe. Good. Okay. So, how many generic structure of descriptive text? Nada? Two. Okay, the first identification and the second. Okay, good. And now please mention three language features of descriptive text. Okay, raise your hand, hold up your finger. Okay, you? Adjective, adverb, and also present. Is that right? Yes, right. Okay, very good. So I think you have understand about the descriptive text, right? Now we will continue to our next lesson. Okay. So do you know what is recount text?
Yes.
Okay, what is that? Okay, tell experience. And then the other? Story about ourselves. Okay, good. Do you have memorable experience? Yes, of course. Is that good experience or bad? Good. Okay. Where did you spend your holiday?
In the beach.
In the beach. So the other? In the zoo. Okay, the other?
In the mall.
Okay, so our lesson today is about something that tells about the last experience, about the past experience. Okay, so before that, I will show you a video. Okay, now please prepare your paper and your pen. You can write the point of the video.
This story, Neelam and Randy will tell about their memorable experiences during the vacation. Let's check it out.
Really? That was great. What did you do there?
Yeah, in the morning, I cooked a traditional cake with my grandma.
Okay, now the question is, what did Nilam say about her vacation? Raise your hand. Okay, Adisti.
Nilam was so happy.
Nilam
Was
was so happy.
Happy.
Is that right? Yes. Okay, yes, right. For the next question, where did Nilam spend her holiday? Lisa?
In grandparents' house with her family.
Okay, in her grandparents' house with her family. Is that right? Yes, right. Okay, right. The third question. For the third question is, what activities did Nilam do during her vacation? What's the answer? Okay, Anita?
cooking and fishing.
Cooking and fishing. Is that right? Yes, right. Okay, for the last question, where did Randy spend his vacation? Who wants to answer? Ida?
Stay at home.
Stay at home. Is that right? Yes. Yes, right. Okay. So, this video is related to our material today. That is tells about the experience, about the holiday, about the past events. So, we will learn about recount text. Okay, very good. Okay, look at the PowerPoint first. Okay, now we will learn about recount text. Before that, the learning objective of today is the first understanding the definition, generic structure, and language features of recount text. The second, I hope that you can identify the generic structure and language features, and then after that you will make group and make the recount text together, and then presenting in front of the class. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Okay, now we will learn about the definition of recount text. So, who wants to read this sentence? Anggun?
Recount text is a text which retells event or experience in the past.
Okay, recount text is a text which retells event or experiences in the past. From this text, do you understand what is recount text? Yes. Okay, recount text adalah Ceritakan kembali. Okay, very good. So, this definition of recount text is a text adalah sebuah teks yang menceritakan kembali event, kejadian atau pengalaman di masa yang. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So, for the next is about the function. The first function is to retell past experience. What is to retell past experience? Untuk menceritakan kembali. Okay, the second is to share unique or unusual experience. Membagikan, okay, betul, right? Pokoknya pengalaman yang tidak biasa atau yang unik yang kalian miliki. Nah, seperti itu. And the last one is to inform or to entertain the reader. What is the meaning of this sentence? Okay, very good. So, is it clear? Yes. So, we will to the next. The first is orientation. Who wants to read the sentence? Okay, yes, you. Salsa, okay.
It gives the readers the background information needed to understand the text, such as who was involved, where it happened, and when it happened.
Okay, good. So, from the orientation, it is give the reader background information needed to understand the text, such as who was involved, where it happened, and when it happened. So, this is the introduction. Introduction about who was involved in your story, siapa saja yang terlibat di cerita kalian, and then where it happened, and when it happened. Okay, so for the next is series of events. Who wants to read the sentence? Leah?
A series of events ordered in chronological sequence.
Okay, a series of events ordered in chronological sequence. Before that, do you understand about this sentence? Okay, so a series of events. Nah, jadi untuk di bagian event ini nanti akan diceritakan secara berurutan untuk kejadiannya. Okay, the next is reorientation. Who wants to read the sentence? Okay, Vera?
Personal comment about the event or what happened in the end.
Okay, good. So reorientation is a personal comment about the event or what happened in the end. Do you understand about this sentence?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. Jadi di bagian akhir ini nanti ada komentar kalian. Selain itu atau apa yang terjadi di akhir. Nah, contoh komentar kalian liburan di pantai, perasaannya gimana? How is your feeling? Happy. So, di bagian reorientation, you can say, I'm very happy in my holiday, on my holiday in the beach. Nah, seperti itu. Or what happened in the end. Atau ketika kalian mempunyai masalah, nah kalian ceritakan ke orang lain, and then, oh, what is happened in the end? Nah, itu kalian ceritakan di bagian reorientation. Yes. Do you understand?
Yes.
Kurang semangat. Do you understand?
Yes, me too.
Okay, the next. Now the language features of recount text. The first is using simple past tense. Do you know what is simple past tense?
Yes.
Okay. For example, when both walked and etc. The other example, at. Terus? The next? Saw. Okay, good. The next? What is? Strength. Okay, good. Then the second is introducing personal participant. For example, I, my group, my family, my sister, and etc. The next is using chronological connection. Nah, because this is connect between one event to other, so we need to use chronological connection. For example, then first, for the first, I go to the beach with my family, and then I go to blah blah blah, and etc. Do you understand?
Yes, me too.
And then we are use adverb. Adverb. For example, yesterday, last holiday, in the morning. Nah, itu adalah adverb. Adverb itu ada yang place, ada yang time. Oke, good. Kalau yesterday ini adverb apa? Time. Oke, kalau at the school? Place. Okay, very good. From here, do you understand?
Yes.
Is there any question?
No, there isn't.
Then I can continue to the next. Okay, now the example of recount text. Who wants to read the example of recount text? Lisa?
My trip to Bandung. Last summer, my family and I decided to go to Bandung for our holiday.
Okay, very good, Lisa. So, my trip to Bandung. Last summer, my family and I decided to go to Bandung for our holiday. Jadi, last summer itu apa? Musim panas. Oke, saya dan juga keluarga saya memutuskan untuk pergi ke Bandung untuk
liburan.
menyenangkan. And we learn a lot about history.
Dan kita belajar banyak dari cerita
sejarah. Okay, good. So let's identify the generic structure of recount text from the example for the last example. So my trip to Bandung. Do you know the part of orientation here?
Yes.
Where is it? Okay, last summer until holiday. Then I give the mark with yellow. It was fun and memorable trip. So this is the part of orientation. Okay, very good. From this sentence, is there simple past tense? Of course. What is that? Decided. And then? Visited. And then?
When.
And the next is, there are 4 common types of recount text. The first is personal recount. The second is factual recount, imaginative recount, and historical recount. The first is personal recount. Who wants to read the sentence? Okay. What is your name? Zulfa.
Is a recount text that tells about the writer's experience.
Okay. This is a recount text that tells about the writer experience. For example, is the last example. Jadi yang tadi contohnya itu adalah personal recount atau recount text yang menjelaskan tentang writer experience. What is writer experience? Pengalaman penulis. Okay, very good. Jadi, okay, so this is the example of factual recount. Di sini contohnya adalah berita ya. On December 2024, and then this is the example of imaginative recount. A day with a dragon. What is the meaning a day with a dragon? Sehari bersama naga. Emang naga itu beneran ada? Tidak. Nah, ini berarti masuk ke imaginative. The next. The example of historical recount. Nah, contohnya di sini adalah for the example here is Alexander Graham Bell and the telephone. So, is there any question?
No, there isn't.
No, there isn't. Okay, thank you. Give a applause for us. So then, let's do the ice breaking first. The ice breaking is, you have to know all of my friends in the class. Jadi, the rules is, let's say like this. You have to know all of my friends in the class. So, I will choose one of you. Who is this? Siapa ya enaknya ya? Okay, for the first is Syafida. Where is Syafida? You are first, okay? Do you understand the rules?
Yes.
Okay, please stand up. Look at each other. Lihat satu sama lain coba. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, you have to know 1, 2, 3.
You have to know all of my friends in the class.
Pida Salsa, Salsalia, Lia Ida,
Okay.
tidak, Leni. Leni Felis.
Okay? Okay? Okay. Nah, you have to focus on you. Apakah nama kalian nanti dipanggil atau tidak? Nah, kita ulangi sekali lagi. Give applause for us. Okay, you can sit. Now is the discussion. So you have to make 4 groups. Do you like sharing, right? Yes. Nah, biasanya anak-anak kan suka bercerita ya, each other. You happy when you're sharing with each other, with your friends. So now you can share your experience with your group, and then please choose the most interesting story in a group, and you can write in the paper that I give. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, for the next is, if you have write your recount text, you have to discuss and identify the generic structure and language feature based on the paper. Okay, this is the paper. Okay, because I like the pink one, so it is pink. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to identify the generic structure like orientation, events, and reorientation, and also the simple past, personal participant until chronological connection. You need to present in front of the class with your group here. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now counting 1 until 4. 1. Okay, please group 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and 4 here. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's together. Oke, satu anak maju ke depan untuk mengambil kertas. One student take the paper in front. Okay, for the orientation, you have to give mark with this orange. And then for events, you have to mark with the pink one. And the reorientation, you have to mark purple. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, what is it about? Graduation? Okay. Nah, that was so funny. Lucu ya, nanti biar teman-temannya ketawa. Siapa ini yang jatuh ke selokan? Ditanya itu tadi. Nah, my friends. Okay, is there any difficulties? Okay, you have to mark this one is orange. Shell. S-H-E-L-L. Okay, the time is enough. Now please come forward and present your work. For group 1 or 4? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Okay, 1. Group 1. Come on, let's go. Give applause.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey, my friends.
We are standing here. We want to present our recount text under the title My Graduation.
In my graduation day, before I and my friends climb on the stage for follow year's event that is Hafla Akhir Sana, we assemble behind the stage first for prepare our appearance with commit. But there is so funny and so crazy. One of my friends fall in the irrigation. She was sad and sad. She was washed her dress and her mother was sad to her it. It was very funny and shocked that be a story which unforgettable in my graduation day.
Okay, so intinya tentang apa ini tadi kira-kira temennya? Terjatuh di selokan. Nah, kira-kira malu nggak ya? Okay, is there any question for your friends? Who wants to ask? Okay, yes, you?
Who was fall into irrigation?
Who is Meisha? Not here? Oke, biar nggak malu ya. Jadi menceritakan orang lain. Okay, it's okay. So, is there any question again? No, there isn't. No. Okay, give applause for group 1. Okay, because the second and the third group have to the front and present their work. So now the turn of group 4. Okay, group 4, please come forward and present your work. Give applause first.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, friends.
We are studying here. We will present our discussion about the context.
Under the title Beach Vacation. We still remembered the day when we went to the beach. We left early in the morning and arrived at the beach at 10 o'clock. First, all of us decided to swim in the sea. We really enjoyed swimming in the sea because the water was clear and warm. After that, we decided to walk along the beach. We saw many interesting things. We also took some photos. Then, we had lunch at food stand on the beach. We ordered some delicious foods such as fried rice, steak, and some desserts. We were very happy about our vacation in last holiday. We hope we can take a vacation together again in the next holiday.
Okay, enough?
No.
Okay, so is there any question from your friends? From the friends? Okay, yes. Please, who want to ask? Lisa?
Why do you choose holiday to the beach?
Because we like beach very much, the scenery is very beautiful, and when we take a photo, we can get an aesthetic view.
Kalau foto nanti jadi estetik view-nya ya? Iya. Suka gitu? Iya. So the next question, want to ask Ria?
Except to the beach, where did you go when holiday?
Except to the beach, we went to the mall, zoo, or another place.
Oke, we go to mall. Nah, kalian suka ke mall? Suka. Ada mall? Di sini ada mall? Ada.
KDS.
Ada Bravo, ada Chandra, okay, and etc. So, is there any question again? No, there isn't. Give applause for group 4.
And if there is no question, please close the presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Give applause. Okay, you can sit. Thanks for all groups. Okay, please collect your work first. What you have learned today? It is about? Okay, and then do you know the meaning of recount text?
Yes.
What is recount text? Retell about the past experience. How many generic structures? 3. The first, the second, okay, good. So then, what is the language features?
Simple past tense.
Personal, participant. Okay, good. So, do you have any difficulties when writing or when understanding the recount text? Ada kesulitan nggak kira-kira?
No, there isn't.
Okay, no, there isn't. Alhamdulillah. So then, from the first until the last, is there any question?
No, there isn't.
Then let's close our lesson today with dua. Pray together.
Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Ambil kusu'al wa dalam nafsi faghfirli fa innahu la yaghfiru dzunuba illa anta.
Okay, then thanks for your nice attention and see you on the next meeting. I hope you more spirit and happy. Okay?
Okay.
Dan semua assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you.
Yes, follow me.